Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss what built-in string function in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So in my last video I discussed what conversion function like parse, try parse, and hereafter cast try cast. So let's see about the built-in string function. So built-in string function, there are so many functions at here. I written this all query to save some time. If I write the code one by one, so it will take more times, like 1 hour, I think. So here I already written. So let's understand the built-in string function. The first is ASCII function. So it accepts at an expression, character expression. So what the ASCII? So return ASCII code value leftmost character at your expression. So if you execute this query, so see at here it's returning ASCII value of A, B, A, small a, 100 and 102. So add your leftmost. So if you include add your A and B. So let's execute that one. So and this return only of leftmost character. So leftmost character is A. So here it's returning A only. So this is the thing ASCII character. So whatever you pass the character, so according to this that returns some numeric values. And here like reverse of ASCII char. So this function convert ASCII code in a character value. So the ASCII code of 65 is A and here 66 is B. So let's execute here. So see at here or 65A, 66B, 97A. Now the next or third example is concat function. So concat function is generally used to concat two or more string or join, add here, concat or add two or more string. So this is the example that I already written. Select concat. So add here I'm using four strings. So Tom here. So Tom Jack. So that will concatenate with no integer value also here space. So total parameter are 5. So let's execute that one. See at here it's all added or join. So hereafter let's use employees table. So inside the employees I'm going to concatenate first and last name. So concat first space last name and here. So let's execute that one. So here that concatenate then that display is Steven and King. Execute. See at here Steven King it's now concatenate first and last name. Now hereafter left function. So that will give you the first left or value. So if you give a 4, so add here that return 4 or first 4 left value. So execute that one. So in implies here imply so the first left value EMPL and after let's use EMP table. So this is the record inside the EMP table. So add here I'm going to display left ename. So first 3 character. So let's execute here. So Smith SMI Allen all is display. So next is length function. So length function is return the string length of a string. So add here that length. So imply is the 8. Total characters are 8. So that here it's returning 8. Now hereafter let's use EMP or table. So inside the MP I'm going to count or display the length of ename. So ename add here. So Smith is 5 times, Allen is 5, Ward is 4 times. Now hereafter the next function is lower function. So whatever the upper character that convert into lower. So employ, so E is the character, it's the display lower. Now let's use emp table. So here. So now I'm going to convert the ename to lowercase. So see at here Smith, it's all in lower. Now hereafter upper function. So upper function is used to convert all the small letter into upper. So see at here employee, so it's lowercase, so it's converted to upper. Now hereafter I'm going to use emp table. So at here this all or I think this all are capital. Okay, DNA is a small letter. So let's execute here. So see at here DNA is now converted into all upper letter. Now the next is trim function. So trim function, add trim function is used to remove left spaces from the left. So at your this is the space at your. So let's execute that one. So see whatever the left space blank space, so it's removed by add trim function. So let's use emp or table here. So emp table sum here one left space there. So after you running this query. So space now out. Now hereafter replace function. So replace function is used to replace one string from the another. So at here this the string. So in this string I'm going at here is the one this string. So at here galaxy is there. So in place of galaxy I'm going to put S9. So let's execute that one. So see at here as I'm saying S9 it's displaying. So or you can write anything whatever you like. So in place of AXY it will display S9. See at here AXY it's displaying when AXY. So AXY so it's I'm not getting specs at all because at a it's not match here it's not match. So we need to give at a AXY. So see at a Samsung AXY. So in place of AXY it's now S9. So next is reverse function. It's used to reverse the string. So at a I passed hi guys. So after reversing so that display SUY. And here after I'm going to use EMP table and here EMP table I'm going to reverse ename. So let's execute that one. So see at here all names are reversed. Here after write function. So write function is used to display right most characters. So at here from right. So here employee. So E here after E. So to at here I've given the 6. So that here that will display 6 rightmost characters. So let's use at here EMP table. So this is the things at here I'm going to display right or right from right to at here I'm going to display 3 characters. So SMITH, so STI it's a displaying LN and LEN. Now hereafter write rtrim. So rtrim is used to remove the right to place spaces. So 5 6. So at here left spacer do not change anything from the right that will remove all the space. So see at here, right? No, there are no any space. So trim function is used to remove the space from left and right. So here, this is the all things. So this is the let's execute here. So see at here, the space will at here this place and this place out. Now hereafter, let's use EMP table. So at here EMP table, Sam has some space in left side. So after executing this query, so at here the space is now out. So next is Unicode. So Unicode is used to return the integer value and here the first character input expression. So if you enter A, B, MIT, so this will give you the integer value of A, small a. So small a is 97. So if you give at here BMIT, so this will give you uh, um, integer value of capital A. So this is the all important built-in function in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So if you have any doubt related to this all query, they will comment. Definitely I will reply. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.